Hey guys, in this video we're going to be talking about mining pools, and these things have really been popularized lately in the past couple of years, because it used to be the case that, and I'm talking anywhere from 2010 to 2012 or so, where you used to be able to mine Bitcoin, which was the only coin around back in those days, using your own personal computer. But what happened was Bitcoin mining became clearly profitable, and there was a liquid market for Bitcoin. More and more players came into the space. And of course, as we know, with Bitcoin particularly, the amount of Bitcoin emitted every minute doesn't change if there's more miners. In fact, we know that every 4 years approximately, that amount is cut by half. So as you can imagine, the more miners came into the space, the more competition was had. Thus, you were no longer able to mine on your personal computer. However, not everyone can afford to have a huge warehouse with hundreds of CPUs running 24 hours a day under constant supervision. So this is where this concept of mining pools emerged. And this is where people, even to this day, are still able to mine using their own personal computer, only that now they don't mine it on their own as a solo adventure, but they join a mining pool. So really the whole premise is all about pooled computing power, and I'll get into proof of work and how mining works in another video. But essentially what you need to understand is that hash power is the ability of a computer to solve the complex mathematical problems that is required in order to mine a Bitcoin block. And you're able to combine this hash power or mining power in order to complete the mining of a Bitcoin block. And so you can do this in a pretty decentralized way, simply by committing your computer alongside many other computers in the mining pool, committing its energy use and its hash power to that mine. And it's that combination of hash power that then allows for competitive mining. So then, whereas before you wouldn't really have a chance to mine a Bitcoin block because more sophisticated players with warehouses would beat you to it, they'd simply mine it faster. Now in a mining pool, you're now in the running, and now at least you have a shot at a small piece of the pie of it. So speaking about small pieces of the pie, how are you paid out? Well, usually the way it works is you use pay per share. And share, all that's referring to is what share of the hash power have you been contributing. So it is very transparent. And if after, say, a month, an entire Bitcoin block has been mined, which currently is about 6.5 Bitcoin, if you've been able to contribute 10% of the hash power, then you're going to be able to claim that 10% of that 6.5 Bitcoin that month. It's also important to keep in mind that there's going to be a small miner fee. So whoever's managing this Bitcoin mine and putting it together and combining the hash power is going to take a small fee. Definitely don't accept anything greater than 3 to 5%. Anything more than that's a rip-off. So yeah, guys, that's been a rundown on mining pools.